Let's have a look then at a typical but fairly straightforward question involving tangent. So, question is, find the equation of the tangent to the curve f of x equals x cubed minus 1 at the point 2, 7. Okay, let's picture what's going on first of all. So we've got this curve x cubed minus 1, and so the curve is going to look something like this. It's going to look something like this. If we go to the point 2, 7, let's say the point 2, 7 is, say, here. At the point 2, 7, there's a tangent line. Here it is, let's draw it in. So a tangent line, if you remember, touches the curve in one place only. So there's the tangent line at the point 2, 7, and we have to find the equation of that curve. So if you're a tangent line, if you look at it, it's a straight line. Tangent is a straight line. So really what that's saying is find the equation of, there's a straight line at the point 2, 7, which happens to be a tangent. Find the equation of that line. Okay, so let's first of all write down the equation of a line. So any line has the equation y minus y1 is equal to m by x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are any point that's on the line. So we know that the point 2, 7 is on the line because that's where the tangent is. So we can fill them in. So y minus y1, well, we can fill it in as 7. Here's, let's say, 2, 7 is x1 and y1. So y1 is 7 equals m. Now, m stands for the slope, so we'll calculate that in a minute. We'll come back to it. Multiplied by x minus, and x1 is just 2. Okay, so we've almost found the equation of the tangent. Okay, the only thing that we haven't got is m, which is the slope of the tangent. But if you remember, the slope of the tangent and the slope of the curve are the same thing. So if we could find the slope of the curve, which we know what to do because the slope of the curve is just f dash of x, then we'd be able to find the slope of the tangent. Well, we would know the slope of the tangent because it's exactly the same. So we have f of x is equal to x cubed minus 1. So the slope of the curve, which will be the same as the slope of the tangent, is f dash of x, which means I need to differentiate this. So differentiate x cubed, and I get 3x squared. Differentiate minus 1, and I get 0 because minus 1 is a constant. So the slope of the curve at any value of x is 3x squared. So the slope of the tangent is that also. We want the slope of the tangent at this point, the point 2, 7. So we want the slope of the tangent when the value of x is 2. So in order to find that, I just have to fill in x equals 2 into the slope, into f dash x. So when x equals 2, f dash x is equal to 3 by 2 squared, which is the same as 2 squared is 4, so that's 3 by 4, which is 12. So it's a fairly steep slope, and which is 12. Okay. So now I know the slope of the curve, and this is the same as the slope of the tangent at that point. So I can come back over to my tangent line because the question said find the equation of the tangent, which is this. And we filled in the point 2, 7 for x1 and y1. Now we just have to fill in m. So we get the slope of the tangent, y minus 7 is equal to m, which is 12, by x minus 2. And this is the answer. This is the equation of the tangent. We can tidy it up a little bit by multiplying the brackets. So we have y minus 7 is equal to 12x minus 24. Can tidy that up a little bit. We could end up with, say, y is equal to, so we can add 7 to both sides. So we have y is equal to 12x minus 24 plus 7. So you have y is equal to 12x, and minus 24 plus 7 would be, what would that be? Minus 24 plus 7, minus 17. So the equation of the tangent line is y is equal to 12x minus 17.